feel to hear your music in a different kind of, I would say, grand arrangement, di ba? Like, and did you take a really heavy part in?
No, no, no,
Okay.
no, no. Ria Villena Osorio will arrange the orchestra. She's a great musician. She's worked with Bamboo and a lot of other artists. Uh, Lahat ng mga kanta kasi na lalagyan niya ng orchestra, hindi ko pa naman naririnig lahat. Pero may isa siyang sinabit sa akin the other day. Yung puso ko, ako na mismo yung parang hindi ako to pero wow, ito pala yung kanta ko when you put it in
Play
a
that way,
in a
in
very
the orchestra.
parang wow. Ako mismo parang humiwala yung sarili ko sa aking self na tinignan, wow, ito pala yung kanta ko.
Nag-POV ka bigla,
Parang ganun,
ganun.
oo. Sort of naging fan ako ng musical at that time nung parang, wow, okay pala. Pwede naman palang ganun.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.